Share with you guys two ways on how you can blur the background of your video. Now I will show you guys how to easily do this with your smartphone, either using an Android phone, an iPhone. It is very applicable to you. Hi guys, hey people, hey loves, welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. On this channel I talk about motherhood, my lifestyle, tech tutorials. But every time you see me looking like this, like all different, or wearing glasses, just know it's time for tutorials, it's time for tips and tricks, basically things surrounding filmmaking. There are several reasons why you want to blur the background of the videos. Now, one can be to avoid distraction. You want your audience to look at you and you alone. If there's something at the background you don't want your viewer to see, then that's another reason why you can decide to blur your background. Another reason is it gives this cinematic feel. In my videos, I also would love blurring out my background like this. I'll be taking you guys through this using my smartphone. This is an iPhone 11 Pro. I'll share with you guys two ways on how you can blur the background of your video. Now, you can be a filmmaker, you can be a YouTuber, you can be a makeup artist, just anyone who wants their video blurred. I'm dedicating this video to YouTubers like me, because when I started off, I really struggled trying to film with my phone, and I couldn't do that with my normal camera without. Like some of you know, you can't blur out your background using an iPhone 11 Pro with the camera mode. So I had to opt for finding the best way to do that and still able to get good quality while doing so. The first thing you want to ensure you do is download the app called Focus. I don't know if it's called Focus or Focus, but it's spelled Focos. Now, we're starting off with the Focus Live app, and this app will enable you record videos with blurry background. And I'll also show you by using the app called Focus. That was originally meant for pictures. It's still meant for pictures. I'll show you a hack on how to record videos that are blurred out as well with that app. Now I'm showing you two ways. Now let's dive into the first one. The first thing I want to do is go to Focus Live, click on it, and click the app. This is what you're going to see. Now once you see this, the first thing you want to do is click take video, because this app can also be used to edit videos, but I don't use it to edit my videos in any way. I just use them for just taking videos with blurry background. Once you click take video, this is me and this is what I'm seeing right now. Now the first thing I'm going to explain all these icons, what is all the icons mean. We'll go ahead and film. Now this first icon means if you're trying to reduce or increase the light. You can see here it is overexposed, and I'm going to take it back to what it originally was, which is what I prefer. You can also darken it as well. The next one is the filter. It has different filters as well, which is not the point of this video. But the important thing you want to take out from here is you can change the format to how you want your video filmed. Let's say you want this video for just reels, then you can do the 3x4. You want to shoot like a YouTube video, you can do this instead, like shoot with this form. Let me show you what that looks like. To this form where the screen is already grabbed out, like so. All you have to do is position yourself to fit in that frame. Know what you want to do. So you can also change the frame rate to 30 frames per second and 5 frames per second. You can also use app to track your audio. You can see here, you can tell the tempo of my voice going high and low. It's moving here. So I'm taking it back to original size. All you have to do is just click record, and I see me here talking. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to it. I'm doing all these things. Like once I hit the red button, it means I want it to end. And one thing you need to know, it doesn't automatically save in your gallery. You have to go back. You have to go to the preview, which is here. Once you go back, you're going to see the same thing you saw at the beginning, but click the last video, which is one you just recorded. You're going to see that the background is already blurred out. Now why it's looking like this is because I said this app is an editing app. In case you want to forge ahead and edit the video, you can do that here, but we're not doing that. We just want to export the video. Now to export the video, you're going to click this arrow up here at the extreme end here. Just click it and you see export video or photo snapshot, or export as animated GIF, or use other functions when you get the pro version. I didn't mention earlier, but this app is totally free. In case you're scared to download it, it's free. So what you want to do is export the video. I'm going to click export, and that's it. Once you hit the export, your video is being exported. All these things below here represents the lens size. Now this is for the selfie mode. If you want to go ahead and shoot with your back camera, all you have to do is play around with this 0.5. Because I'm using an 11 Pro camera, I have the extra wide lens, which is the 0.5 lens here, and I also have the 1M, and I also have the 2. Now if I click the 1, you can see what I'm seeing here. 2, what you're seeing is a close angle lens. If I click 0.5, you're seeing the extra wide. So selfie mode is here, which is this You can see the cinematic. This is selfie mode, and that's what I'm using for this video. Don't forget that to get the best quality of your iPhone or any smartphone, use the back camera. Let me know if you want to see a separate video on how to get the best quality from your iPhone or your smartphone, any kind of phone. I'll teach you how to set it in a way that you get the best quality from it. You can check the video we just shot. Now we're going to go to my gallery and open up this video. Now you can see me here. You can see the background is blurred out seamlessly. It takes you nothing. The good thing about this app is you can edit your videos on it. The only disadvantage of this app, or you can only export using 720p. Once I'm done recording, I'm going to end it and see that when I want to export, like I showed you guys, you have to go back and I'm going to click the video I just recorded. Now you can see it's already blown out. When I click the export, I can only export using the 720p. Actually export using 4K. It can actually export using 1K, but you have to pay. And so if I click like I want to unlock it here now, it tells you use all functions and effects. When I click that, you can see here 1 week free, then 900 naira per week, but I think that's only downside, which I think is a win-win. Another good thing is you can export even till 60 frames per second. So you can reduce the quality or increase the quality in case you're trying to in a low resolution. You can achieve that by coming down here to export quality. If you're choosing 60 or 40 or 80, it makes sense. But if you want it 100%, you have to unlock. You have to pay for the pro version, and that requires you paying 900 naira per week. All this is exactly how I record my videos using this method. The second method is using the Focus app. The first one we talked about is the Focus Live app. Now this is you using the Focus app, which is FOCOS. You can download that and then screen record. Just ensure you turn on your screen record app. Now once you click this Focus app, it shows you like it's already blurred out. There's a picture that is already blurred out. You're seeing yourself blurred out already. Now the hack to it is just continue recording. If you've not been recording, screen record what you just screen record it. Make sure you're focused and you just keep talking and talking and talking. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, see what I'm doing. But then when you're done, just end your screen record and then go to your gallery, trim, and then go to this part. Also reduce, remove all those areas that is showing the app background. Then click the press done and you have your video. This is the hack to it. Like you just screen record and talk to your camera, film what you want to film, end your record, crop and trim out unnecessary parts, and your video is ready. But another disadvantage with this, or one disadvantage with this, is audio is not being recorded. So that means that you have to separately record your audio. You can use this for doing, like, let's say you're shooting B-rolls, you're shooting cutaways, you're shooting things that really don't need audio, real life audio. If this was even helpful to you, just share this video to a loved one, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.